Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and excited because we just got our newest um, ginger quilter box. So so far, gingers have been a new subscription for us. I think this is our second box. The first one was Halloween and really was very taken back by what was in there and excited, and so anxious to share the same with you this month. I will tell you, gingers tends to be more expensive than some of the other boxes that we have tried, but I will tell you, based on other people that we've watched, other reviews that we had seen, it just seemed like the quality was so much better. So we did. So we made the plunge to try, at least try a few boxes. First one was really great. We made that little Halloween stuffed thing with the broom and the hat. It's the attention to details. That's what matters. So let's take a look and see what Ginger has to say now. So this is the Ginger Quilter box. Christmas plaid box, November 2023. Merry Christmas. I think it's officially the first time I've said that this year. I look forward to this box every year because I get to curate and send everything cheerful and festive. I get a little intimidated too because I want to make sure it's really good. I hope I did my job well. Enjoy the holly jolly time inside this box. So always a nice little note from Gingers. And let's see what's in here. So the first thing is a tartan plaid pattern by Natalie Pratt. And so this is the pattern that we received this month. It is a really cool pattern. I will say it's a little intimidating for us that are still fairly new into this. So probably not something we will do anytime soon, definitely. But at the same time, it is really a cool pattern and something we will probably work to be better at. She did send the fabrics to go with it. So that bright red fabric for the tartan, I'm going to call it Grinch green, more of that lime green. Then that more darker green. And then I'm not sure what color I would call this. It's an off-white, almost beige fabric. So again, really cool. It's not something absolutely, if I'd walked by this in a quilt shop, I would have absolutely not purchased this. Probably wouldn't have even looked at it twice. That said, I think it's really a cool pattern. When I read through here just a little bit while I'm trying to do this real time with you all, it says that there's a technique in here to help save time, make things much simpler. So the pattern may not, once I sit down and start looking at it, be as intimidating or as difficult as I think. With that said, so far I've liked what Ginger has sent. I absolutely will probably do this project and will enjoy doing this project. When I get to it, it definitely won't float to the top of the list, but it's something that we need to broaden our skills on. And we're learning that, people like different things for different reasons. And with that said, I am sure I have somebody in the family or somewhere around that would absolutely love this if we get it done. So that said, not disappointed at all. I think Ginger puts out a beautiful high-end box. Again, have no connection to Ginger. There's no discount with her. We're not an ambassador. We're not associated in any way. This is my opinion on someone that's been quilting about 15 months. And so take it for what it is. She also gave us a bottle brush Christmas tree, which is adorable. And by the way, as Curtis has been decorating the house, he has not put any decorations in the craft room. So maybe now I'll have my own Christmas tree in the craft room. So pretty cool. Just a nice touch. I think that's what I like about Ginger and the boxes that we're getting from there, is it's all that attention, little attention to detail stuff. So it says perfect for adding a touch of Christmas magic to your crafting space or just any corner of your house. And she's so right. We got a magnetic pincushion bracelet. And you know, it's funny. I remember my mom wearing that big blob on her hand, and you know, I had the pincushion. This is really cool, the fact that it's magnetic. So did not have one. Something different, something absolutely that we may use and take to quilt camp. So how awesome is that? So again, very love what she puts in the boxes, what she does. And as always, we get a little treat, and who doesn't like Andy's mints, right? I'm not the biggest fan of Olive Garden because I do like real Italian, and we'll tend to not do commercial Italian so much. But when we do eat at Olive Garden occasionally, who isn't excited for the check to come when you know Andy mints are going to be there, right? Nobody wants the check, but to get Andy mints, pretty good. So again, very happy with the box. This tartan plaid is, I mean, when you think about the pattern, the fabrics, and everything she's put in here, along with this magnetic bracelet, she's absolutely giving us a value for our dollar. So no qualms there whatsoever. And again, one of the reasons we subscribe to boxes is to get us out of our comfort zone, to get us exposed to more things out there. And that's what she's done for us this month. So again, really happy with what's there, and we will see how we move forward. So with that said, I appreciate you dropping in. You landed in Guys Craft 2. My name is John. If it's your first time here, welcome. We're fairly new to the crafting business, and we are learning on the fly basically as we go. Hopefully we've got our technology working now, and things are going to be much better for us moving forward. But with that said, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to our channel. Hit the thumbs up if you like today's video and like what we're doing. Hit the bell if you want to be notified next time we post something. But until next time, happy crafting.